Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make your squishy to be more squishier. This is going to be a squishy experiment. So yeah, first you need only squishy, and then this one is a little bit fail or messy, and I add some glitter glue on it. So it's gonna be so squishy when you're done. So this one is melting. Okay, so all you need is just go to your freezer. So now I'm waiting it to be squishy in the freezer, so we can wait about 25 minutes or 20 minutes, 15 minutes. So yeah. So for waiting a while, I'm just gonna show you some clears haul. So first I have these clears necklace, and it was so cute, and it was a BFF necklace, and my task is a little bit messy one. And then these cat power duck power necklace, and it was stuck in there weird. Oh, it's not stuck in. And yeah, that is, and then that one. So also I have these flower earrings, and which is so cheap. So there's the back, and then these Claire's Club company, but it's same company. I mean, same store in Claire's, but whatever. So this is the same one. Earrings, Claire's Club earrings. This is the O, and there's the back. It was this is not stick on. This is well, this one is the drop earrings, and then this is the I forgot. Oh man. Oh no. Cat paw keychain from this one. So let's see our squishy. So my squishy is done, but I'm not waiting in 25 minutes or 10 minutes. So this one is turning a little bit squishy. So squishy. But you can wait about 20 minutes to be super duper squishy. So this is the donut pear shaping one. And then this toast does not change at all. See, because it's not squishy before. So I painted with puffy paint to be more squishy, and I add some glitter glue. So yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.